Today I have a brand new sling to share with you. It is the 2.0 version of Pioneer Carry's A4U. I was a pretty big fan of the first version of this bag just based on its looks, but with some subtle refinements, this bag has become much more functional. It's a 2.5 liter sling, which is about half a liter larger than the first version. Dimension-wise, it comes in at 12 inches by 8.5 inches by 3 inches, expanding the bag a ½ inch in each direction compared to the original. And that little increase is actually a really important part about why this new version is so good. With the new dimensions, you can fit iPads inside, bigger over-ear headphones, and even a camera with a larger lens. Also, the front two pockets have grown in size as well, which means you can actually fit your phone inside of these now. Like all Pioneer products, this sling is extremely durable and well made. The featured fabric here is a thick 640 baby ballistic nylon, which comes in black, blue, or the forest I have here. You'll also find aluminum hardware and my personal favorite, big old Vislon YKK zips. Oh, and if you're wondering about the name, it comes from the A4 size notebook, which you'll easily be able to fit inside as well. So now let's check out what I'd pack in here for some everyday carry. This sling is going to be best for quick trips out of the house, some light work at a coffee shop, or as your daily companion on your next trip. So with a simple bag like this, we're gonna have a pretty simple pack out. But before we do that, let's quickly take a look at some of the features of this bag. And the one I want to point out first is that very nice, subtle Pioneer branding here on the front, just nicely stitched in there, and yeah, not too flashy at all. The other thing I want to point out is the fabric of this bag, and this beautiful 640 baby ballistic nylon is like really soft to the touch. You can tell how durable it is too. This bag is definitely gonna last. You're gonna be able to throw this around as much as you want, and you're gonna be good for years to come. On the front here, you're gonna see you have like 4 little attachment points there, and that's just like if you wanna throw a carabiner on here or something like that. So yeah, just a little nice spot for that. You'll also see these beautiful chunky zippers here. Really love those Vislon zippers. Yeah, those are awesome and very like synonymous with Pioneer Carry now. But yeah, I really love those. You can also see on the zipper here, you have a little Pioneer branding too, which yeah, looks really, really nice. On the back here, you're going to find a little carry handle if you do want to carry it by hand. And you're also going to find the strap back here. Pretty like skinny strap, but you know, I've never had any comfort problems with this bag. At 2.5 liters, you're not going to be carrying like a ton in here, where a strap like this is going to hurt your shoulder or anything like that. So yeah, works just fine. Yeah, really nothing to write home about, but you know, it's a fine strap. You also have very nice hardware on this bag, which I really like. Brings like a little bit more of like a classy touch with that aluminum hardware. And then yeah, over here, you have these like diagonal straps where the straps are attached to the bag, it goes in a diagonal direction instead of like a horizontal or vertical. And that's really nice because it kind of contours to your body a little bit more. Yeah, and it makes for a more comfortable carry. So let's turn this thing around and just start going through it and seeing what we are carrying for a typical day out in summer 2026. So yeah, as you know, if you watched my last video, my family and I are like traveling right now. We're staying with family down in North Carolina, trying to figure out if this is a place we want to live long term. So these are kind of the things I'm bringing out like on a day-to-day basis when I am going out. So let's first look in this little front right pocket. And in here, I have a little Contax point and shoot camera. I really, love Contax. They are so easy to use. I always get great photos from this camera, this TVS. Yeah, I can't say enough good things about them. They're a little bit expensive now. I got mine years ago when they were a little bit cheaper, but it is just a great camera to use. I've really been trying to get back into film photography. I've taken, you know, like a couple months off, and it's been fun shooting film again. So, you know, maybe look out for some zines in the future. I'm thinking about making some zines for the channel. We'll see. Also in this pocket here, you do have a little key leash. I don't have my keys attached, but you know, if I'm going in the car or something, I would bring those along as well there. In the left side of the front of the bag, we have a space for a pen. Got a little field notes pen here. It's just like one of those Bic click pens, but yeah, definitely just does the trick. You can throw it in there like dollar pens. And then we have this gorgeous kind of like stenographer notebook from Field Notes. Very heavy duty. I love the way this thing opens up like this. You have like the line paper as well as the graph paper. But yeah, I really like writing in this thing. And it just looks like so nice. I don't know. I love Field Notes, as you know from watching the channel. I cover most of their releases, but I bought this one at their headquarters in Chicago, and yeah, it's just such a good notebook. And then we just have our final main pocket in here, and in here we're going to be carrying our sunglasses. We have our Ray-Bans here. It is sunny and hot as hell in Raleigh, where I am currently. So yes, sunglasses are a must. And yeah, well, I don't have sunscreen in this bag. Believe me, I am lathering myself in it. You can tell how pale I am, so I need sunscreen constantly. In addition to the sunglasses, we also have our over-ear headphones. It's really nice that you can carry these inside of this Sling now. But yeah, I really like these just for, you know, like going on walks and stuff. What else do we have in here? We have our Kindle. Also been trying to read more. Not a huge fan of like Amazon in general, but I do love their Kindles. Their Kindles are great. So yeah, been trying to read more this summer as well. One of my goals for the summer. And then lastly, and I wanted to mention, you do have like a little sleeve back here, so that is where your Kindle was in that back part. And then you also do have a zipper pocket in here, and that goes until like the whole height of the bag. So it goes, yeah, all the way down in there. And in here, we're just gonna have our little Anbernic video game device. You know, I'm a huge fan of this. My daughter loves playing Sonic now, or, you know, she likes watching Sonic and just hitting the buttons and not really moving around. But it's fun. It's fun to watch her brain work at 2 years old. So yeah, that's basically what we have for a typical day out. So that's the A4U from Pioneer Carry. If you're a regular viewer, you know I'm a sucker for anything Pioneer, and it's definitely no different with this bag. It's great for dressing up or down, and with its size, you really can fit everything you need. Let me know what you think of this bag in the comments below. Also, let me know what other slings around this size you may be using instead. If you do like this bag and want to pick one up for yourself, be sure to use the affiliate link in the description, because it really does help out the channel and it allows me to make more videos like this. With that, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.